Hello everyone, my name is Rihanna. Today we will learn lesson 2. The topic is present simple, he, she, it, jobs, what time is it? Salom bolalar, mening ismim Rayona. Bugun biz ikkinchi darsda o'rganamiz. Mavzu hozirgi zamon, he, she, it. He o'g'il bolalarga nisbatan u, she qiz bolalarga nisbatan u, it hayvon yoki jonzotlarga nisbatan u. Jobs bu kasblar. What time is it? Soat necha bo'ldi? Practice saying the verbs and make sentences. Fe'llarni qanday yasalishini mashq qiling va gaplar tuzing. Masalan, s, z, is bilan tugaydigan fe'llar bor. For example, likes, walks, visits, works. Zga nisbatan comes, lives, goes, plays. Isga nisbatan teaches, watches. For example, he visits his parents every day. U ota-onasini ko'rish uchun har kuni tashrif buyuradi. He watches YouTube videos in the evening. U kechki paytlar YouTube videolar tomosha qiladi. Questions and negatives. So'roqlar va inkor gaplar. So'roq yasayotganimizda biz does'ni boshiga olib o'tamiz. Inkorda esa does'ga not qo'shimchasini qo'shamiz. What does James do? Where does he from? Does he live in Scotland? Does he live in England? Does he play tennis? Pause the video and fill the gap. Look through the information about Bale and make questions. Bale haqidagi ma'lumotlarni qarang va savollar tuzing. His job, footballer. Uning kasbi, futbolistlik. The country, Wales. U Walesdan. Home now, Madrid, Spain. Hozirgi uyi Ispaniyadagi Madridda. Place of work, ish joyi. Bernabeu Stadium, Madrid. Madriddagi Bernabeu stadioni. Languages, English and Spanish. U ingliz va ispan tilida gaplasha oladi. Family, married to Emma Rhys Jones, 2 children, Alba Violet and Nava Valentina. U Emma Rhys Jones bilan turmush qurgan. Uning 2 farzandi bor. Ular Alba Violet va Nava Valentina. Free time, plays golf. U bo'sh vaqtlarida golf o'ynaydi. Work with a partner, ask and answer questions about Gareth. Do'stingiz bilan birgalikda Gareth haqidagi savollarga javob bering. Pause the video and do it. Videoni to'xtatib, bu mashqni bajaring. Let's check your answers. What does he do? He is a footballer. Does he speak French? No, he doesn't. He speaks English and Spanish. Where does he come from? He comes from Wales. How many children does he have? He has 2 children. Where does he live now? He lives in Madrid. What are children's names? Alba Violet and Nava Valentina. Where does he work? He works in Bernabeu Stadium in Madrid. What does he do in his free time? He plays golf in his free time. Match the jobs with pictures. Yuqoridagi so'zlarni rasmlarga moslab joylashtiring. Let's check your answers. The first one is architect. Bu muhandis. The second one is dentist. Bu tish shifokori. The third one is journalist. Bu jurnalist. Next is taxi driver. Bu taksi haydovchisi. The last one is pilot. Bu uchuvchi. Again, match the jobs with pictures. Yuqoridagi so'zlarni rasmlarga moslab joylashtiring. Let's check your answers. Javoblaringizni tekshirib olamiz. The first one is accountant. Bu hisobchi. Hairdresser. Sartarosh. Nurse. Bu hamshira. Lawyer. Bu advokat. The last one is receptionist. Qabulxona xodimi. Work with a partner, match the sentence in A with the sentences in B. Do'stingiz bilan birga A punktdagi gaplar bilan B punktdagi gaplarni bir-biriga moslashtiring. Pause the video and do it. Videoni to'xtatib, mashqni bajaring. Let's check your answers. She is a hairdresser. She cuts hair. He is a pilot. He flies from Heathrow. She is a receptionist. She works in a hotel. She is an architect. She designs buildings. He is a lawyer. He works for a top law firm. He is a taxi driver. He drives all day. They are journalists. They write news stories. She is a dentist. She looks after people's teeth. She is a nurse. She works in a city hospital. He's an accountant. He likes working with money. Ask and answer questions about your friends, family members and relatives. Do'stlaringiz, oila a'zolaringiz va qarindoshlaringiz haqidagi savollarga javob bering. What does Bahodir do? Bahodir qanday ish qiladi? He is an architect. He designs house and apartment buildings. U muhandis. U uy va binolarni dizaynini chizadi. What does your mother do? Onangiz nima ish qiladi? She is a nurse. She works in children's hospital. U bolalar shifoxonasida ishlaydi. What time is it? Soat necha bo'ldi? It's 5 o'clock. Soat 5 bo'ldi. It's 5:30. Soat 5:30 bo'ldi. It's 5:15. 5dan 15 daqiqa o'tdi. It's 6:45. 6ga 15 daqiqa qoldi. It's 7:05. 7dan 5 daqiqa o'tdi. It's 7:20. 7dan 20 daqiqa o'tdi. It's 9:25. 9 bo'lishiga 25 daqiqa qoldi. It's 10:09. 9 bo'lishiga 10 daqiqa qoldi. What time is it? It's just after 4 o'clock. 4dan sal o'tdi. It's nearly 3 o'clock. Deyarli 3 bo'ldi. I think it's about 9:30. Menimcha soat 9:30 bo'ldi. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.